Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen. Oh god, I'm dark. Now I'm your boy, your host, your mechanic KB, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's kind of looking hot, and today's one of the days my brother's actually free from work, so I've commandeered him, kidnapped him, got him out to help me do the clean, because I'm not gonna lie, if I were to do it myself, I would probably end up damaging the paint, so rather get someone who knows what they're doing, who's in that profession. So without further ado, let me quickly roll the B-roll of what the previous of the car looks like, then get started cleaning. Exactly. Alright, go on, tell us what we're doing now then.
Oh, they're not on the photo for. Introduce yourself.
I didn't even know who we started, but you just caught me.
Okay.
Who are you? I am DB Valeting.
What do you do?
I just valet cars. All types of conditions. As you can see, this needs a little bit of love, TLC, so we're gonna give it some love.
Love, yeah. That's what it needs.
A lot of love.
First step, what are we gonna do first?
Right now I'm thinking spray some wall cleaner while that's dwelling, rinse over the whole car, no foam it.
Let's have that, let's have that.
Then happy days.
Yo. Why you calling my name like what? I stand in my lane like what? I walk in my lane like what? Nobody tell me stop. Ain't scared of the Larry lot. Open the door when you hear me knock. Man's trying to stay real in this game, even though actors always get the props. But okay, on my mind there's three things. Still trying to turn my home to a restaurant. That's a place where everyone's eating. I've had meetings with enough guys, but if we don't suit then I cut ties. Trying to get to the top with top guys. I wanna see my whole team up like I'm looking for offside. Either you get lost or you get this. I need nothing but checks on my checklist. Don't take nonsense from wet kids. That means hella blocks, Tetris. Don't like this, stay out of my biz. Shouldn't stick your nose in a male's path. I met me a ting and she Irish. If she wanna see man, she better bail fast.
Alright, so what's that?
This is a mixture. I'll put some car shampoo.
Call it DB Special Mix.
Yeah, sauce.
I can't be saying that. Get demonetized before game got monetized. It's already looking clean. What does this special sauce do then?
Just break down all the dirt, grime.
So additional persuasion. That's it, persuasion.
Stuff like that.
Okay, so to agitate the dirt.
Look, I am not like these guys. Guess that's why I dislike these guys. We stay real unlike these guys. Right, I need me a wealthy life. With money laid in a box like Floyd just died. Bro came through in that healthy ride. 6'7" on the plate like it's LD's, right? I like progression. You don't grind, you hate to work. You can be 11'5" or 5'11". If we clash, they'll definitely be fireworks. What a downer. You claim you're a top shot, I'm a doubter. Why you screaming your food's always louder? When you're stuck with a queue like a bouncer. About big man, you ain't half large. If you ain't bro, then you can't ask. On my feet all day like a dance class. You ain't got no drive, then ha.
I'm gonna do the rules quick. So literally spray them.
So the first one was basically like a rinse, primer wash. That's the one, primer wash. And this one is gonna get rid of all this dirt.
Yeah.
That is music to our ears. what's the dilly? What's 411 right now then?
So let me try this new foamer. My foaming shampoo in it.
Ah, so it's like a snow foamer, but obviously on a less.
Yeah, hand pump.
Yeah, hand pump. Ah, okay. So you're pre-soaking it before you come. Ah, see, that's smart. That is Cookie Boy smart. Oh, I didn't know I just made that word up. Cookie Boy smart. This makes logical sense. And also, now you come over with the hand mitts or.
Yes.
Ah. Suddenly I see. Another BM? Where's it going? Where you got? It is another BM. Oh, it's another 1 Series. I see it. Wow.
I need my stack like rock hard. I want nothing but bands like a rock fest. Stop with the cat, always on the move like I'm under attack. Brothers just act, never do stick to a fact. I go all night like it's easy and that. Ain't far from aware, hair, can't compare me cause you're louder. Silly hoes only care for designer. If I wore AJ, she'll be wilder. Some people are hard to like, wanna stab my back, get a sharper knife. My lightest lyrics are far from light. Keyboard warriors aren't my type. You know how life is like, we know the right, but don't do the right. If you'd hate to die, then let's calm the hype. Can't be after beef and not the afterlife.
What are we doing, big man? What are we doing now?
Clearing up
All the little leaves, moss.
dead tree carcasses.
Ah, okay. What are you trying to say about my car? Homicide. You say hello? I've been leaving that in there, boy. Ah, so what's this? What's this now?
This is another APC degreaser.
All-purpose cleaner. Okay. So how long do you usually let us sit?
Depending on the temperature, I'll say a few minutes.
Or is it because it's the heat now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What's going on now?
Drying, drying the car.
Ooh, man's got this little pot. I would have never thought of that.
So yeah, that's what it is. Just drying the car. I've got a quick detail spray.
Yeah.
Slash rinse aid. Help drying the car. Not leaving any streaks, marks. Adds a little bit of gloss and protection for a couple of weeks.
What's this stuff then?
Just a dressing to protect.
Ooh, my God, the dressing. Like salad dressing.
You know?
Yeah, that's kind of looking shiny already. You look at it. No, wait, you can't even show you guys yet. No, yeah, this is not the final reveal, innit? They'll be getting little snippets. The plan was not to even go this deep into it.
So now, you just dry up the rest of the car. Do the tyres for protecting them. Yeah, and then just do last final touch up.
Okay. Listen, I'm ready. I'm ready when you're ready, innit?
I'm always ready. I'm born ready.
Come, let's go. I just want to get in and drive it right now.
But yeah, you can tell or you can feel. There's still like a lot of contaminants on the paint.
Oh yeah, no. So basically, like we said, this is only the primary wash so that we can get doing the modifications, and after that's when we can come do the proper 110% detail.
Fresh slate to start off.
Exactly. Oh, I like that. What was that? Fresh slate? Say that again.
So you know what you have?
Yeah, I like that. I like that. Oh shit. Alright, let me do the B-roll reveal in it. Let me do the B. Are we what? We done?
Yeah, we're done.
We done. Okay, let me do.
The only thing I'm gonna do is just give it a wipe down, come back and do the tires again.
Yeah.
And then that'll be it.
Okay, let me do the B-roll. Let me show everybody. Holy smokes, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, that's come out looking beautiful. That is
It's come on looking good, you know.
quick little wash. Obviously, like I said, this is only the primary detail. We'll do the main one at a later date once we finish doing the little modifications. For what it is, this is £150 BMW 1 Series. She's a damn right looker. Okay. Like I said, it's come out looking beautiful. This ain't all my doing. This is big man over there is doing. Would you like to say a few little words, few little promo for yourself?
The only thing I can say is the car was a good base to start off with. All we did was just give it a quick wash. All my deals will be in the link below.
Description in below, yeah. I'm gonna drop it all down there. His Instagram, website, Facebook, number for to ring him. Listen, this car's been sat good 4 years underneath a tree and it's come out looking this good. This is a madness. I'm too gassed. If you've enjoyed the video, hit a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. If you dislike the video, give a thumbs down. Once again, let me know in the comments why. I'm your boy, I'm your host, I'm your goddamn mechanic, KB. He's your valeter, he's your host as well. That's your guy, DB Valeting. Told you in descriptions. Yeah, guys, peace out, man. Enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the rest of your week. Peace out.